I've got a '67. It's a 67 Mustang Coupe that's down this road right over here.
Oh, okay.
Kind of a light brown top, a vinyl top, white interior. I've had that car for 53 years. I bought it in '73. 53 years. I've had a lot of fun with it though. That's fine. But I've got 3 others. Good luck. Expect you to do well.
Nope, don't believe in church. And I'm like, well, I don't say that.
You can tell you can say that she's sad. Is that right?
Well, you take care. Have a good day.
It didn't hurt.
Good morning. Hey, real quick, if you have not registered, please come up here and register. Also, we will be starting judging here in about an hour. You need to have your trunk and your hood open if you want to be fully judged. If your trunk's closed and your hood's closed, we probably will pass right by you because that's 30 points right off the top there, guys. This is a point system. So once again, make sure the trunk and hoods are open.
For a planning person, I decided to be a teacher. And I went to SEC. But I had to learn calculus and everything. So, you know, I wasn't terrible at math. Exactly.
And those of you that are judging, we will be having a meeting up here in about 15 minutes.
And the best for last.
Everybody thinks the road runner and all that, and a TV3. No, it's a PCX. It's a 440. It's got a 440 in it. That's what it came with. That's also, you know, they came with Belvedere. Came with any Mopar. P70, see, you got the orange. It's a super Commando. And then if you look on the side, you know, the GCX, it has the louvers right there, right? But the 440 on a road runner, on a GCX, they have louvers. And you fit right here on each side. Okay. 69. But then 70 for this body style. And then, you know, then you have the louver in the back, right there. And then that's a honeycomb. much. If you really think about it, you're right. Research and everything. This is what Richard Kenny did. And then he stained, you know, when they modified everything to the Superbird, right, with the big wing in the back, that was based on this.
And the snout, the plastic snout.
But they call it a Belvedere. Your base model is a Belvedere, and then even on my title and everything, it says Belvedere.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Because GTX was an option. You had the Belvedere, you had the Satellite, you had the Roadrunner, then you had the GTX.